Welcome, here I've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. Let's start by sliding up to the menu and pick the camera app to open it. For now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here from the right. So let me try to use them now to see how it works with the camera. And now, as you can see, I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's move to this button, the second from the left. By tapping on it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings. And here we have to focus on the capture category and we have volume key functions. When we pick it, we can change it from volume to shoot, which is now, or zoom. So for now, let me pick zoom to show you how it works different. Let's go back to the camera now and let me try to tap on these buttons once again. And now, as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject and also go back, so I can use zoom by tapping on the volume buttons. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.